In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Zoom notifications. If you're getting distracted by pop-ups while you're working, studying, or joining meetings, Zoom gives you a simple way to reduce those interruptions. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in the Zoom app to enable the setting that helps keep notifications quiet. This is especially useful if you want fewer distractions on your desktop without changing a lot of other settings. To begin, open Zoom on your computer and make sure you're on the main screen of the app. Once you're there, look to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. This is the area where Zoom places account-related options and app preferences, so it's the starting point for a lot of personal settings. After you click your profile icon, a menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. This will open the main settings window, where Zoom organizes different features into categories so you can adjust how the app behaves. Inside Settings, look for the Notification section and click on it. This area controls how Zoom alerts you about activity, messages, and other app events. If you want a quieter experience, this is the section you'll need. Once you're in the notification settings, go to the desktop notification area. This is where Zoom manages alerts that appear on your screen while you're using your computer. Depending on your version of the app, the layout may look slightly different, but the wording should be very similar. Now find the option for Do Not Disturb and toggle it on. Turning this on tells Zoom to stop showing desktop notifications, which can help you stay focused and avoid unnecessary interruptions. It's a quick setting, but it can make a big difference if you're in the middle of important work or don't want alerts constantly appearing. If you ever want to start seeing those notifications again, you can return to the same place and switch the setting back off. That makes this a very flexible option, since you can use it only when you need quiet time. And that's how to turn off Zoom notifications. As a quick tip, after enabling Do Not Disturb, it's a good idea to stay aware of any important meetings or messages in other ways, since you won't see those desktop alerts while this setting is active. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.